Yeah, sure fishing. Welcome back to the spot, guys. I don't know how much fishing I'm gonna get done here with all these jet skis running around. Yeah, you got jet skis flying around here, guys. Causing a little ripple here. It's gonna cause water to come all the way up here, and I don't want to get wet. Big up yourself, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and watch the odds, guys. Jamaican shore fishing here. See what we can pick up in this tide here, guys. I know what we're gonna get here this morning. Let's see what we can pick up here, guys. Who knows? I can't even see the damn lure right now. Oh, there you go. We have a jet ski flying around here, guys. It's quite fine. Casting in the wind, guys. Hope I don't get hitched because I'm not in the gears. Ooh. Not really in the gears for fishing today. So we can get casting in the wind. It's like pissing in the wind, guys. Just trying something, don't know what we can pick up. But I had seen something jumping earlier when I threw the lure out there. See nothing moving to it. Let's try this direction, which I should get pretty far out because that wind in the back. Oh, fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Got him. Fish on, Jamaican shore fishing. Got him, guys. That's what's up. Woo! Lyra. Woo! Woo! He came off, guys. Oh my God! He came off. Holy shit! He came off, guys. Fudge bucket. He's not gonna go for that again, guys. He came off. Oh my God, and knotted me up at that too. That was a good little fight. I was kind of worried about that too, being in the shallows here. But he did give me a whoop ass a while ago. He came off. You suck, Barra. How could you do this to the Barra hunter today? Knotted me all up, guys. Got away. Ooh, I know why. He broke the hook. Broke one of the hooks on this, guys. That's why he got away. Yep. He definitely did that. Yeah, guys, he definitely broke one of the hooks on this today. Nice size barra too, a good 5-pounder. Hit that back hook and broke it. See it, guys? Look, one of the hooks has gone off the treble hook. Well, these hooks need to be changed. Yeah, I think they done their part. You gotta pay attention to that, guys. Hit that barra while ago, he got away. See if we can get back out there again, guys. I got Popo coming back here. I don't know what it is. What is that? Definitely hit a nice barrel a while ago, guys, and he got away. I'm gonna change that lure off in a second, guys. Definitely hit it and miss, guys. I don't think that barrel's gonna hit that line again. Got that hook feeling in his mouth. Definitely ain't touching that lure again, guys. So, yeah, I ordered some new lures, guys. Get out of this water real quick. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing, that was definitely a good video right there. You win some, you lose some, guys. Check that out. That was crazy, guys. Crazy action right there by Jamaican shore fishing, right? Damn. He did pretty good a while ago, guys. I was kind of worried about him, whether he was hooked good or not a while ago. I seen him coming in, I was getting him real close, and then he just, bam, made a one bad flip off of it and got away. It was pretty green. But I highly doubt that same exact barrel is going to hit that line again, as he got a piece of hook in his mouth. Got jet skis running around here. See if we can go this direction and hit something this way. Yeah. I'm getting chased by small fish. Wonder if I should just switch up and go with the Rapala real quick. Yeah, let me switch up, guys. Step back to the sand. Switch up the bend. Get the little Rapala here, guys. Hey guys, so I'll probably get a lot more action with this lure than the other one. Let's see what we got here, guys. All right. Yeah. Oh shit. What my shoes are. And that's not good. Let's get on the rock up here, guys, and get this lure in here and see what we can pick up in the shallows here, guys. Making sure fishing. Hey guys, I got little jacks chasing it. Fish on, guys. Woo! I got fish on. Holy smoke, I got a little jack on, guys. Aha. Look at this. The Paula lure, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Little active fella, ain't he? Little small jack, guys. Oh my god, he swallowed this hook. Wicked. Trying to get this hook out one at a time. Alrighty. Got him. Small jack, guys. Look at this. Let's get him back out here. He's out. I just threw it up under there, guys. And right as I threw it, I got the crazy response. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. Let's get it back up in there. Look at this, guys. Watch this. Woo! There's a whole shitload of jacks under there, guys. We're gonna have fun with these guys. Check this out. Watch this. Ooh, jack's chasing it. All right, let's get it up there. They're active, guys. They're active. Oh, they're under the shade. They're under the shade, guys. Let's get up in there. They're underneath there. Whole bunch of little jacks. I think they got hip to it.